Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're in the market for a professional lavalier microphone, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the SYNCO Lav-S6E professional lavalier microphone. Any of the standout features of this microphone is its stable and flexible recording capabilities. With a 6 METR 7 feet long cable, you'll have the freedom to move around and capture high-quality audio without being restricted by short cables. Not to mention, the anti-interference material and metal plug ensure fast and stable transmission of digital voice signals, so you'll never have to worry about interruptions during your recording sessions. What's more, the auto-pairing technology of the SYNCO Lav-S6E makes it incredibly easy to use. With built-in microchips for auto-identification and flexible auto-pairing between devices with 3.5mm TRRS and 3.5mm TRS audio input, you can connect your microphone seamlessly and get right to recording. And let's not forget about the omnidirectional pickup pattern, which allows the microphone to capture a 360-degree voice pickup range and high-sensitivity condenser mic head, giving you top-notch sound quality with every use. What's more, the clear working status indicator light on the microphone lets you know its status and connecting condition in real time, making your recording process efficient and hassle-free. With wide compatibility for smartphones, cameras, laptops, and PCs, the SYNCO Lav-S6E is suitable for interviews, conferences, live broadcasts, online teaching, video conferences, vlogs, and more. Plus, with the included accessories such as the wind muff, windshield, and carrying bag, you'll have everything you need to take your recordings to the next level. So, if you're ready to take your audio recording to the next level, then be sure to check out the SYNCO Lav-S6E professional lavalier microphone. You can find the link to purchase this top-quality microphone in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your recordings with this incredible microphone. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations on top-notch audio equipment. Thanks for watching and happy recording.